Hello students, welcome to Eloquent English classes and this is Jyoti. Students, we are learning direct indirect speech. In our previous video, we have learned how to change simple sentences into indirect speech. Today, let's learn how to change questions or how to convert questions into indirect speech. So let's get started. Dear students, questions can be formed in two ways. The first one is WW questions, means questions beginning with W. For example, see here in the box, when, why, who, what, where, and how. How also, okay? So questions beginning with WW and how. So whenever the questions begin with W or how, we don't have to make much changes. We have to simply change the tense only. Okay, let's see how. And second thing, questions are always asked, isn't it? So while changing direct into indirect speech, we don't say said or told. We change it into asked or enquired. तो asked या enquire word use करेंगे said और told की जगह. Is it clear? Let's see. He said to me, where are you going? He said to me, where are you going? This is a question, isn't it? So question is always asked, isn't it? So he asked me instead of said to asked. He asked me where I was going. Now, why was here? Because this is in present continuous tense, which will be changed into past continuous tense. This we have already read in the previous video. So let me recap. Present indefinite into past indefinite, present continuous into past continuous, present perfect into past perfect tense. So these are the rules. और वो रूल्स सेम इसमें भी अप्लाई होंगे. सिर्फ चेंजेस क्या है कि सेड टू की जगह हम आस्क्ड या फिर एनक्वायर वर्ड यूज करेंगे. बाकी टेंस उसी तरह से चेंज होगा. The policeman said to the hooligans, why did you kill the innocent man? The policeman inquired. पुलिस हमेशा इंक्वायरी करती है, isn't it? The policeman inquired hooligans why they had killed the innocent man. Why they had? Why had? Because this is in past indefinite tense, which will change into past perfect tense. And past perfect tense में had लगता है. Okay. The next one is, I said to my friend, when will you come? So I said to my friend, क्या बोला मैंने अपनी friend को? मैंने पूछा, isn't it? बोला नहीं. I asked him. I asked my friend when she would come or he would come. I asked my friend when she would come. तो questions जो है वो simple sentences में convert करते हैं. Okay? और उसका tense जैसे मैंने बताया उसी तरह से change होता है indirect speech में. Clear? The teacher said to a student, what is your aim? The teacher asked her students what his or her aim was. Question को हमने simplify कर दिया, एक simple sentence बना दिया और question इस तरह से पूछा भी और उसका tense भी change कर दिया. Okay? Because it is in present, so we changed into past. Okay? She said, how are you? She inquired how I was. Yeah, she asked how I was. So this way we can change. I hope you understood. Another type of questions begin with helping verbs. You know helping verbs, isn't it? See in the box. Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, can, could. will, would, do, does, etc. These are helping verbs. Whenever questions begin with helping verb, we use if or whether. Okay? या हम if word का use करते हैं या whether. बाकी rules same रहते हैं. Let's see how. Karthik said to me, is it your purse? Karthik said to me will change into ask because it is a question, isn't it? This is a question and questions are always asked, isn't it? So Karthik asked me, if. Here we have to use if. Whenever questions begin with helping verbs, we have to use the word if. या if लगा लो या whether, दोनों में से आपकी मर्जी है. And whether की spelling रहेंगी WHETHER, not WEATHER. Okay, that is different. So Karthik asked me if or whether it was my purse. Is it your purse? Is it your purse means present tense. We have to change it into past tense plus we have to simplify it. We have to make it a simple sentence. तो दो चीजें हैं. एक तो हमने टेंस चेंज करना है, बाकी क्वेश्चन को हमने एक सिंपल सेंटेंस बनाना है. So Karthik asked me if it was my purse. All right. Shyam said to his friend, will you attend the party? Shyam asked his friend if friend को पूछा ना if he would attend the party. Will change into would. Okay. Mother said to her children, do you like the new dish? Mother asked her children, बच्चों से पूछा ना उसने, if they is for children, if they like the new dish. See how we have used if here. The boy said to me, can you do me a favor? The boy asked me if because he asked me if I could do him a favor. All right. The young man said to an old man, may I help you cross the road? The young man asked an old man if he किसके लिए ये? Young man के लिए, isn't it? If he might, may will change into might. If he might help him cross the road. तो हमने क्या किया? हमने टेंस अकॉर्डिंगली चेंज किया और क्वेश्चन को हमने एक सिंपल सेंटेंस बनाया और इफ या वेदर का यूज किया जब भी क्वेश्चंस हेल्पिंग वर्ब से बिगिन होता है तब. Alright, so today we have learned how we can change sentences beginning with WW and how. Secondly, when questions begin with helping verbs. Alright, and I hope it's understood. In the next video, we shall learn how to change commands and requests into indirect speech. So do watch that video too. Thank you very much. Do like, comment and share with your friends so that they can also be benefited. And if you really like my videos, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get the latest notifications.